Hey everyone, today I want to kick off a series of my tips and tricks with the BLK2GO and how to get deliverables. Today I'm starting with the new updates on the BLK2GO Live App, which includes the renaming of the individual walks and also that you can review the walks after they are finished. So let's get to it. Let's quickly recap on the workflow. First things first, do we have everything and are we ready to go to capture any dataset? So we can check the battery in order to click on the button to see if the battery is charged or not. In this way we see we're ready to go. We can place our BLK2GO on the provided stand. And next thing to do, we simply press the button to start the unit. It's flashing yellow until it's ready to start walk or ready to connect with the BLK2GO mobile app. As you can see here, I open the app, I select my BLK2GO and it's pairing with the device. So we're getting our green tick box, which means we have the connection, and we see here the overview of all our scans. So let's select the last project I captured. When I select it, I can see the additional information through the new update. If I press the info button, we can see I can now edit my name, which we hugely benefit in the office of exactly knowing what walks we want to work on and how they're linked together, for easily to say they are ground floor, first floor or additional scans. Further, we have 3 more icons. One of them is to review our detailed images which we took with the BLK2GO. The next one is a 3D view, which you now can independently from your first walk can now review, hunt around and see if everything fits nice together. Last icon is the 2D top-down view. Hope you liked it.